Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we are looking at the Zombies and Companions upgrade kit for Zombicide 2nd Edition. This is from Cool Mini or Not. And it's basically just a deck of cards. In here we're going to see 3 Abomination cards, 11 Toxic Zombie cards, 11 Berserker Zombie cards, 36 Skinner Zombie cards, 12 Seeker Zombies, 12 Dogs cards, 12 Crows cards, 12 VIP Zombie cards, 6 Lost Zombies Zombivore cards, 14 Companion cards, 6 Abomination Spawn cards. So quite a bit of cards in here. Let's open this up and take a look. The box packaging, by the way, is kind of crap. It's already been crushed a little bit here just in shipping, and this came in the box with all the other Kickstarter stuff. So just be aware of that. And it's not sealed per se, it's just kind of tucked in. So we've got a tray with 2 stacks of cards. So let's take a look at what we've got here. Alright, so this is the deck that was on the right hand side, or the lower one, depending on how you look at it. Let's take a look at this one first. Alright, so we've got some equipment cards in this stack. About halfway down, or a little over that. And then we've got some Abomination cards as well. So we'll start with the zombies and work our way down. It looks like the other deck is all zombies. Well, we should start with that one then, and work our way to this one, so it doesn't break up the flow. Ah! Stupid cellophane. Being all effective. Yeah, this is all activation cards. So we'll look at this deck first. Then we'll look at the other stack. So this one we've got first, an Abomination. This is card number 204. They are all numbered, which is really, really nice. Let's see. Yeah, there's, wow, a lot of cards here. Okay. So we're going backwards in the deck. 204. Then we've got 203 is another Abomination. 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 Lost Zombivore. Another one. Another one. That's 3. 4th one. 5th one. 6th one. Then we've got the very infected people. So we got 12 of those. And it looks like they're all different. Then we've got the crows. So there's 12 crows cards, and they all appear to be different. Then we've got the Seekers. And that's all 12 of those. The art on the cards is good. It's recycled art from the first set, but it's largely good so far. Extra activation. A different extra activation. A third extra activation, different art. Fourth one. Then we've got Skinner Runners. We've got 4 of those. They're all different. Then we've got Skinner Fatty Rush. Two of those, different ones. And then we've got Skinner Fatties. 2 of those. And they're both different. Skinner Walker Rush. Four of those, and they're all different. And we've got Skinner Walkers. 3 of those, and they're all different. And that's the first stack we've got. So this is cards number 138 through 204. Alright, let's get those out of the way. And take a look at the rest of the activation cards that were in the second deck. We've got Skinner Walkers. Oh, sorry. 1 Skinner Walker, and then Skinner Runners. Four of those, and they appear to be all different. And then we've got Skinner Fatty Rush. 2 of those. And Skinner Fatties. 2 of those, and they're both different, of course. Skinner Walker Rush. 4 of those, and they appear to be all different. Skinner Walkers. 4 of those, and they're different. Then we've got dogs. $12 of those, and they appear to all be different. Then we've got Berserker Runners. What, 3 of these? Yeah, 3 of the Berserker Runners, all different. Then Berserker Fatty Rush. 1 of that, and then Berserker Fatties. That one, and then Berserker Walker Rush. Three of those, and they're all different. Berserker Walkers. Three of those, and they're different. Toxic Runners. Three of those, and they're all different. Toxic Fatty Rush. 1 of those. Toxic Fatties. 1 of those. Toxic Walker Rush. 3 of those, and they're different. Toxic Walkers. 3 of those. And they're all different, as usual. So that's all of the activations. Let's take a look at the equipment. And it's a standard back. These are blue, of course. We've got Duchess, Sniper Companion. Another Duchess. Philip, Searcher Companion. Second one of that. Peter, Gunman Companion. Second one of him. Agnes, Handyman Companion. Gasparo, the American Bulldog. Then we got Moog, the American Bulldog. Cherry, the Blue Healer. Lucian, the Blue Healer. Martens, the German Shepherd. And finally, Bismuth, the German Shepherd. So if you had the dog companions from the first set, here you go, there's your upgrades. And lastly, the abominations. There are only 3 of these. You've got the A-Bomb Abomination, the Berserker Abomination, and finally the Toxic Abomination. Alright, so that is what is inside the Zombie and Companions upgrade kit for Zombicide 2nd Edition. It's a nice stack of cards to adapt your 1st edition stuff over to the 2nd edition. So you can reuse the same minis without having to rebuy them just for the cards. You can just buy this. I think this runs about 20 bucks, but it's probably going to be a little more depending on the release date and how long it is. Usually it's more expensive upon release and then later on after it goes out of print. But it's definitely worth it if you've got the 1st edition companions and some of the zombies. So if you have the extra box sets and stuff and you want to be able to use them, here's your opportunity. You absolutely would need this. And either way, you would need the 2nd edition rule box or core box to make use of this. So it is a nice set if you've already got the 1st edition and you want to play those other minis with the 2nd edition. So cool little box, really nice quality cards too, standard, exact same quality, at least it appears so, as the core box has. It's a good little upgrade kit. It's definitely worth it if you've got those extra parts. But you've seen what's inside, you've heard my take on it. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for listening and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future unboxings and reviews. If you'd like to help the channel out in other ways, you can share the video around on your social media, or you can pick yourself something up nice from the Teespring store. And if you'd like to support me in other ways, I have a Patreon, and you can always donate through one-time payments via Streamlabs, which accepts PayPal, or just watch the videos and like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we hope to see you on the next one.